Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to use InVideo AI for your workspace. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any browser on your PC or laptop, then search for InVideo AI. Then go to their official site and you can log in, sign up. I'm just gonna try InVideo AI. So from there you have to join with your Google account. You can also join with your Apple ID. Also you can enter your email and simply create a new account. I'm gonna go with join with Google just to show you guys. After completing my login session, InVideo AI will take me to its home page. Now it will ask for some questions. It will ask us some questions and just simply answer them. So just answer something. Okay. Now it's asking for something that will help us in creating our video. So I'm just gonna tap on the content creator, then continue. It's asking for my birthday. I will just use a random birthday. And that's it. Now you have to give it a topic and it will create a video for you. Just enter the description. And it will generate you a video. Wait until the video is done. Use a detailed description to get a better result, because with short description it will not always create the best possible video for you. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.